In the second step, you're going to be looking at existing applications, and this is going to be forming part of your research. The next step is to start looking for existing solutions. You'll want to find about 2 applications or websites which are very similar to what you are trying to achieve. Now, it might be that these applications or websites only contain part of your application. It might be that they contain the full part. But what we are really looking for is what would be the competitor to your application. You're looking for solutions which have overlapping features to your own app, and more importantly, ones which kind of demonstrate your algorithm is actually possible and your algorithm can be done. Okay, so in order to start writing up your research, you want to first of all explain what the app is and what it does, and then have tables. Okay, tables of the features you want to include and tables of the features you don't think are important. The key to writing it up is in the justifications. Okay, analysis is all about justifying your reasoning. So imagine you were creating a flashcard system. The one feature might be being able to display the front and back of a flashcard, and justification of why you might include that is when revising, you want time to consider what the correct answer is to the flashcard question. By having a click to reveal system, it allows quick access to the answer. So I've got justification why I might include it. When you are talking about these apps, it is really important to include screenshots and to review these good features before writing them out. So you actually have a kind of a review of the application, and then you can focus on what's important. Now, before we get into exactly what goes into this part of the write-up, it is only part of the research, okay? It's only looking at existing applications. It's not the entirety of your research. The algorithms you're going to be implementing form the bulk of the research. So in the write-up, we're looking for you to describe the existing solutions. Okay, so effectively review those existing solutions, focusing on the features which are relevant to your solution. Use screenshots to aid the explanations. So do go through those existing apps, looking at all the features, focusing on the important ones, and using screenshots to show what they look like. Then at the end of this section, make a list of features you're not going to take forward and say why not, give some justification to that, and make a list of features you are going to take forward and justify why. Now, in order to get into the high bands, I've included what it states in high band. It says research the problem in depth. What that means is you've actually gone into detail. Okay, you've actually looked at each existing solution and explained what they are, what they do, and their key features. You're looked at its existing problems and justified suitable approaches based on this. Okay, so that does mean justifying why you're going to include features, but also this then leads into the next sections, which is looking at, are these features computationally possible, and then linking in a bit more research to show that they are, and the algorithms behind the scenes. So this is really the first part of research. So you're not going to get high band just by simply doing this part, but it does lay a strong foundation for the next part.